A rapidly developing medical epidemic is that of overweight and obesity. If you were told that one of the reasons that you expand from being slim to being overweight is skipping the most important meal of the day to the point of breaking the scales, would you believe it? Sounds paradoxical, doesn't it? Health research surveys of adults in the United States have reported that people who skip breakfast became obese at a rate 5 times higher than people who ate breakfast. I would be surprised if you're not asking any question at this stage. As a matter of curiosity, did you know that a quarter of people in the United States of America don't eat breakfast? It is not a surprise that the proportion of obesity in Americans is about 36%. This is how skipping breakfast can disrupt the body's internal clock and cause weight gain. A single skip or a short period of not eating breakfast will not automatically result in someone being overweight. Prolonged denial of your metabolic needs can alter the internal workings of your hormones, thus setting the pedestal for obesity. Following a typical overnight sleep, you would have not eaten for about 8 hours. At this stage, unless you're highly motivated, you may not like to visit the kitchen. Leaving home on an empty stomach is not an unusual solution for some people. At some point, usually mid-morning, hunger pangs start coming, which is a sign of extremely low blood sugar setting in. You become vulnerable at this point and would like to reach out for the quickest form of sugar. High sugar intake provokes release of hormones insulin, which leads to paradoxical hypoglycemia, a phenomenon that leaves one to crave for more food. You become vulnerable to eat more food late into the evenings. The overall outcome is the inevitable being overweight, as most of the consumed calories get deposited in the wrong parts of one's body. Hospital visits become the norm. Doctors become permanent friends. Many other healthcare issues and expenses mount up. Most would be getting to see doctors in the most critical stage of your life. You do not want to wait till you are at this stage before deciding on how to control your weight. If these slides have been of immense importance to you, kindly subscribe to my channel and help it grow. Share this also to others of your colleagues. And also, please suggest in the comments if you would like to see more teachings in this area. Thank you very much for your time, and I wait to welcome you on my channel as a subscriber. Bye-bye.